Hi, my name is Robert. I'm a senior sales consultant with House and House Real Estate. I'm here today with Nikki Ray from Merrit Interiors, one of our trusted partners, just to discuss more about what they do and how they can help if you're looking to modernise your property.
Thank you very much. Yes, my name's Nikki Ray and I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager with Merrit Interiors. Merrit Interiors have now been in business for over 10 years. The owner of the company, Karen, met my father, David, who had 40 years experience in kitchens and bathrooms in Scotland, and he brought with him the expertise and knowledge about delivering professional product to the market here at a better price. Predominantly our work is in Emirates living area, Arabian Ranches, Victory Heights, the Green community, and we deal mostly with families looking to upgrade a villa that they've purchased. And obviously a lot of the villas that are on the market now are quite dated, so we're able to come in and really look at either full package. Some people come to us, they've just bought the villa and they want to renovate everything. So it's knocking down walls, new kitchens, bathrooms, flooring.
Would you be able to just explain, after the initial inquiry, what the next step is for the client? You know, if I'm the client, do I get the option to actually see the materials?
Sure, yeah.
The client, please.
A lot of our business is referrals, so people that have used us in the past will pass on our number to other people and they'll give us a call. We have a chat with them on the phone, discuss what their requirements are. Most of the time it's me that comes to speak to our clients, and I would sit down with somebody and we really just want to find out what it is that they're looking for. And from that I would go away, and with my team here in the office we would put together a quotation, and then that's then further discussed.
Nikki, thanks ever so much for your time today.
Thanks, Robert, and yeah, I would just like to finish by saying if you have any work or you would like to chat through your villa renovation plans, please get in touch. Thanks.